take care of them. So they are good in school and all that, but they don't have the opportunity to be in the school. So we go in there, get them out from there, sponsor them in school, and they grew up to become somebody. So that's all we have to do to the humanities. So the organization has been doing very great in the country. We are looking forward to expand to other African countries, Europe, America, and all that, to see how we can actually do something that can impact into other people's life. The governor and other governors, they are part of this organization. And even the former president of Nigeria, the one that died, is also part of the organization before he died. He's somebody who loved children, not only children he loved. He has a heart of helping people. Everything that has to do with people, that's what he does. And the governor of Bauchi State is somebody that has the same heart. In fact,